Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Hercules Gold VIP EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a gold focused system that runs primarily on the daily time frame. So let's go through the claims, the strategy details, and what my backtest actually showed. Right, so I'm just going to expand this. Right, so we can see on the page, the EA goes for 240 US dollars. And from the MK5 page, you can see that the Hercules Gold VIP is designed specifically for XAUSD as a day trader on the daily time frame. The developer highlights that every trade carries a stop loss and that the EA uses multiple strategies, including scalping elements, various breakout approaches across H4, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly levels, plus smart level and additional logic. So it incorporates technical analysis tools, support and resistance, and market structure elements. A news filter is available but requires adding a specific calendar URL for proper function in testing and live use. The minimum recommended deposit is around $500 and it is said to work on different account types. So the overall pitch is a structured gold day trading system with built-in risk protection through hard stops and multiple strategy layers rather than relying on recovery methods like greed or martingale. Right, so we can see most of the details here. We can see that the key features also include the multi-strategy approach for gold, mandatory stop loss on every trade, daily time frame focus, news filter support, customizable parameters, and continuous updates. Users can adjust risk settings, trading style preferences, and filters. It's available for MT4 with an MT5 version noted as a bonus, as you can see. We have the MT5 version over here. You can see it's noted. The developer emphasizes seamless execution and the ability to tailor the system to different market conditions while keeping capital protection as a priority. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the screenshots we have here on the site on the developer. So, okay, let's check out the next one. So you can see a strategy test report from the developer. You can see an initial deposit of 500 CAD and claiming a growth rate of 63% since 2023. You can see how the equity curve looks down here. You see it started off quite flatly, but then it picked up around the mid-range and it moved quite sharply from there. You can see the moving average is quite smooth as it goes almost like a 45-degree angle to the upside. Pretty decent performance for an initial deposit of $1,000. There was a gross profit of about 27 million dollars, over $27 million actually. You can see most of the stats here. The drawdown was 7.60%. So the stats actually look to be okay from the developer, but we are going to put that through my own personal testing because I was opportune to carry out testing on this EA. So let's check out if the developer's claims and backtest screenshots actually line up with my own results. So I'll just open MT4, and as you can see, I was able to run the backtest on the recommended pair XAUSD, the gold pair, on the daily time frame as recommended by the developer as well. for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And I got the following results. So, first of all, the equity curve showed overall upward growth with some flat periods and moderate pullbacks, finishing with solid net profits. The deposit load remained controlled throughout. As for the stats, okay, so as you can see, we had a net profit around $7,068, a profit factor of 4.32, drawdown of 10.55%, and 66 total trades taken by the EA. You can see over here. So the average winning trades were larger than average losses, which helped the recovery metrics. So compared to the developers focus on daily goal strategies with hard stops and multiple breakout layers, the results in this period looked encouraging. Decent growth with manageable drawdown and a relatively low trade count consistent with a daily time frame approach. That said, gold is highly volatile and daily systems can still experience extended periods of consolidation or drawdown when the market does not respect the levels or breakouts the EA is watching. The multi-strategy design aims to adapt, but no combination of strategies works in every market regime. Right? So honestly, the features that matter most are the hard stop loss on every trade, proper risk percentage or loss sizing, enabling the news filter correctly, and sticking to the recommended daily time frame on XAUUSD. The multiple strategy modes give flexibility, but they also mean the EA's behavior can shift depending on which logic is active. So who is this EA actually for and who should avoid it? These suits traders focused on gold who prefer a lower frequency daily time frame approach with hard stops and structured multi-strategy logic. It's good if you have a reasonable account size and can be patient between trades. You should avoid this EA if you want high frequency scalping, multi-pair systems, or very aggressive growth with higher risks. Beginners should be cautious with any gold EA because of the asset's volatility. So overall, Hercules Gold VIP EA is a specialized daily gold system that prioritizes stop loss protection and multiple entry approaches. My test showed solid numbers in the reviewed period, but gold trading always carries significant risks. Thorough demo testing on your own broker with realistic settings is essential before considering live use. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free Forex robot on the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.